talking like a boss, I just lift the hand. 3 million cash, call me Rain Man. Money like a shower, that's my rain days. And we all in black, like it's gangland. Share my words, you be angry.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Gotta say it.
Beautiful.
Let's show you some love. You see that work? That's what they call that thing the railroad. You gotta do it again. You gotta do it again.
And like they're telling me they greeted me.
This is called, officially it's called 95. And she wrote that. She wrote the whole.
I'm never gonna know that.
So I know y'all all are together, and that was good. I applaud all three of y'all. Tell us about a little bit more yourself.
Hey, hey, hey. I am Runway Model Diva. My name is Tracy Etheridge. I am the CEO and the owner of Runway Slayer Model. I'm not a serious leader. Yes, we are Runway Slayer Models out of the Carolinas, and we came to rip, slay, and demolish the runway. You can find us on Instagram and Facebook at Runway Slayer Models.
Hi, my name is Darlene Drummond, and I am a designer that is partnered with Runway Slayer. Now, the name of my company is That Seems Like Sharita, which is named after my mom, who's down in Florida. And I just want to keep her legacy alive. And I just want to keep her legacy alive. So that when you see her design, you will say, that seems like Sharita, which is, this is one piece Tracy is working on. That seems.
I know that's right. I know that's right. I know that's right.
Runway Slayer Models is Hello, everyone. My name is Lisa. Get out of Instagram with Ball with Avenue. Or Facebook Ball with Avenue.